Emergency alert has been activated. This is National Alert System. Stand by for an emergency broadcast from United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. At 12:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NORAD had detected the launch of 25 nuclear ballistic missiles launched from Russian Federation, targeted at United States. At this time the targets could not be identified. Please wait for further information. This is a follow-up for the previous broadcast. At this time the targets are identified. Nuclear missiles will strike the following location at approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Los Angeles, California. San Diego, California. Seattle, Washington. New York City, New York. Dallas, Texas. Washington, D.C. Atlanta, Georgia. San Antonio, Texas. Kansas City, Missouri. Albuquerque, New Mexico. All civilians residing in the range of 100 miles should seek a fallout shelter. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, you need to go to the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Pack essential supplies like water, canned food, flashlights, battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, and stay in your shelter for at least 14 days, unless it's a real emergency. Do not go outdoors within the first 14 days. Radiation levels can easily kill a person, or get a radiation sickness that will cause death if not treated properly. Nuclear fallout is deadly. We will end this broadcast by playing United States National Anthem. God bless United States of America.